What is up, and welcome to another Peachy Babies YouTube video. So this week, the restock video is a little bit late, so I've changed it up a little bit, and this is going to be a video of some of my favorite and some of my most aesthetic videos from this week's restock. So all of this stuff is still in stock, so if you guys want to grab it yourself, go down below. There should be a link, peachybbies.com, for all your slime needs. We're also having a sale, so if you buy any 4 slimes in our shop and then use the code buy4get2, you're gonna get 2 of your choice free. So just make sure to add all the slimes to the cart and then use the code. But on with the aesthetic videos that I made this week. So a lot of these are bases of slimes that I've made. Some of them aren't even like the full slime, just because I really liked the base that much. But this one is Star Glaze, the one you guys saw before, the green one. That was actually the base of whipped cherry limeade, which is so good. It smells amazing, like a really tart cherry lime lemonade kind of thing. But Star Glaze is this super pretty, it's like a semi-opaque pigmented kind of putty clear. It's amazing. It's so great if you just want like a really good holdable non-sticky clear slime. Then we have the base for Cotton Candy Clouds, which was actually the most popular slime we had in this week's restock. We sold out once and I restocked more because I was like, no, we're not running out of the slime you guys want the most in the first day. So I put more in there. But the base, first of all, can we talk about how pretty this clear is? Like, look at it. It's sparkly and it's blue and it's scented like cotton candy and it's crystal clear, and I honestly can't get enough of this one. Yeah, so this is probably like the peak of my slime career right here. Look how pretty. Do you see the glitters? And there's no filters on this at all. This is literally just how the slime looks in real life. And then here is Cotton Candy Clouds fully made up. So this one is topped with a really dense and fluffy icy slime. So when you guys mix it up, you get a jelly textured slime. So I thought that was really cool. It starts off as one thing and it turns into another. Not to mention the fact that this inflates like an insane amount. This is so puffy. So if you're the kind of person who loves inflating slimes, who loves having like that light fluffy feeling, it's definitely the one you should absolutely go for. Then we have Fairy Snacks. So this was actually a mystery mini in last month's mystery minis. I want to start doing this thing where the one that I feel like you guys like the most could be brought back in, you know, next month's restocks, but that's what we're doing here. So this one, I love the texture on. It's probably one of my favorite textures ever, but this one is a microfloam and bead base, okay? Then it has jelly cubes and a bigger sized floam. So anything crunchy is absolutely in this slime, and it makes the most amazing ASMR. Then we have another base slime. Wow, what a surprise. But this is the bottom of Cherry Dipped Soft Serve. I've also called this one Cherry Dipped Cone. And if you're confused, so am I. I don't know why I keep referring to it as 2 different names, but this is Cherry Dipped Soft Serve. So this is a cherry, like maraschino cherry scented clear. I thought that this was like the prettiest red color. I actually hand mixed this color, and low-key I was just like really proud of it, and it just looked amazing in sunlight. So I had to show you guys what the base looked like. And then the final version of cherry dipped soft serve. So the cherry gloss actually does come on the bottom now because it was sinking. It looked kind of gross. I didn't want to sell it to you guys like that. So just know if you order one, the clear cherry red will be at the bottom, and then the soft serve butter base is going to be at the top, because I guess the butter is heavier than the clear. Who knew? I definitely did not, but it's scented like vanilla soft serve and then maraschino cherries. It smells super, super yummy. And then it turns into kind of like a butter snow kind of clear base. It's more of a unique base. You definitely don't expect it until you play with it yourself. So I heavily recommend that one for cherry lovers. Next, I'm so sorry that this video is so zoomed in. I actually did not get a proper video of this one, but this is a mystery mini in this month's mystery minis, the June mystery minis, which are actually tropically themed. So this one is summer sorbet, and it is scented like a bunch of tropical fruits and Hawaiian shaved ice, and then it has like the cute pink and the cute orange, and it mixes into a mango color, and it's honestly like the cutest icy ever. Also, it's more of a holdable kind of dry icy, so it's not super wet. You're not going to have a ton of a wet feeling. Does that even make sense? It's not going to be very wet. But I wanted to throw a mystery mini in there because it was really good. I vibed with it. I felt like it gave us summer vibes. It was serving us summer looks, you know? Then we have an OG favorite. This one is Berry Fairy. I've been getting a lot of requests, to bring back old slimes, and I thought that we would debut some of them this week. So this one is a true classic cloud cream. It's very soft, it's very fluffy, doesn't quite drizzle, but it's just like a really good holdable, like relaxing slime, you know? And it's scented like berry candy, and then when you expose the purple to air, it turns blue. So it's like a magical color changing kind of situation. Then we have another mystery mini. This one is Daydream Gloss. It's one of 2 pigmented clears that I actually brought out exclusively for the mystery minis that I ended up keeping way too much of because I'm obsessed. Can we look at the sparkle? Can we observe how pretty this is? Because oh my God, I don't know if I'm overreacting or not. Honestly, you guys could be sitting there being like, oh, it's just clear, but I really, really, really loved this slime. So this one is actually coming out in a jelly version in full-size slimes in next week's restock. But for now, this one is exclusive to the mystery minis for June, which we do actually have more of those restocked if you guys want to check those out and potentially get a Daydream Gloss. Then we have the other pigmented clear. So this one is gold. This slime is Golden Hour Elixir. So this one's more of like a rose gold and gold kind of, you know, ethereal clear kind of slime. I don't know why I keep saying kind of. That's literally exactly what it is. I wanted to take a play off rose gold and really make something that looked amazing in like golden hour light. So you guys could go and Instagram them yourselves. This one is definitely one of my favorites. I typically don't make bronzes or rose gold colors, but I felt like we needed a bronze moment in the mystery minis, and I made Golden Hour Elixir. I also really like the name, low key. I'm really proud of my names this week. And finally, we have the one, the only, the exclusively in mystery minis for June. And if you guys love it enough, we'll bring it back for July mystery minis. This is Toxic Pineapple. I've had this slime in my shop for so long. I get so sentimental about it. But this is like one of the slimes that kind of started it all for me. There have been a few that I feel like a lot of you guys have noticed as iconic, but this is one I get requested to make a lot, and it just never really fits my aesthetic. So I wanted to release it for you guys in mystery minis, so you guys can get those in 3 ounces exclusively. It's scented like a really yummy pineapple candy. It's really thick, really glossy. I actually have a new recipe on this. So yeah, if you guys get a Toxic Pineapple, let me know. Say, hey, Andrea, I got your mystery minis and I have a Toxic Pineapple. And then I'll be like, wow, that's so cool. Yeah. But that is it for this video. I just want to show you guys a few of my favorite moments from this week's restock, because I know I typically post on Fridays and not on Sundays, but I've been gone for a while and I just couldn't wait to post any longer, and I wanted to say hi. So new video next week. I'm super excited to show it to you. If you guys want to shop, link is down below. Other than that, I love you very much, and I will see you next week. Bye.